Exercises in English. Beginner level. 003.
You can download these exercises in PDF format. Click on the link below the video.
Personal pronouns. The personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Let us do an exercise with personal pronouns. This example will show you what to do.
Mary,
She,
Robert,
he,
the boy,
he,
the girl,
she,
the boys,
they,
the girls,
they,
the chair,
It,
the chairs,
they,
the man and the woman,
they,
the chair and the table,
they,
you and I,
we,
Robert and you,
you.
Exercise 1. Listen to the identity of the people or objects, then give the pronoun. 1. Mr. Brown.
he,
2. Mr. Brown and his wife.
they,
3. John and you.
you,
4. Mary and I.
we,
5. The students.
they,
6. The little girl.
she,
7. The little girls.
they,
8. You and I.
we,
9. John, Mary and you.
you,
10. John, Mary and I.
we,
11. The cat.
it,
12. The dog.
it,
13. The cat and the dog.
they,
14. The three dogs.
they,
15. The children.
they,
16. The players.
they,
17. My girlfriend.
she,
18. My boyfriend.
he,
19. My car.
it,
20. My cars.
they,
21. My car and my motorbike.
they,
22. My sister and I.
we,
23. My brother, my sister and I.
we,
24. Your family and you.
you,
25. My family and I.
we,
26. The company where I work.
it,
27. Your mobile phone.
it,
28. My friends and I.
we,
29. The football players and you.
you,
30. The train.
it,
Exercise 2. Listen to the sentences, then repeat them using pronouns in place of the persons or things mentioned.
1. My brother and I are in the classroom.
We are in the classroom.
2. My sisters are at work.
They are at work.
3. Where is my mobile phone?
Where is it?
4. The dog is in the garden.
It is in the garden.
5. Mr. Brown is in his office.
He is in his office.
6. Eric and you are friends.
You are friends.
7. Susan is in hospital.
She is in hospital.
8. Where are the doctors?
Where are they?
9. Is John at home?
Is he at home?
10. Are John and Mary in the kitchen?
Are they in the kitchen?
11. The election is next week.
It is next week.
12. Is your car new?
Is it new?
13. The three boys are in the playground.
They are in the playground.
14. Are Susan and you in the classroom?
Are you in the classroom?
15. Where is your office?
Where is it?
16. The cat is under the table.
It is under the table.
17. The table is in the dining room.
It is in the dining room.
18. My wife and I are at the table.
We are at the table.
19. The car is expensive.
It is expensive.
20. Vegetables are cheap.
They are cheap.
21. A tomato is red.
It is red.
22. Tomatoes are red.
They are red.
23. An elephant is big.
It is big.
24. Elephants are big.
They are big.
25. My family and I are happy.
We are happy.
26. Your friends and you are happy.
You are happy.
27. Are your colleagues on holiday?
Are they on holiday?
28. Are your colleagues and you on holiday?
Are you on holiday?
29. Where are the teachers and the students?
Where are they?
30. My colleagues and I are at work.
We are at work. That's the end of this lesson. You can move on to the next lesson. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thank you. Goodbye for now.